Welcome! In front of me I have Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'm gonna show you how to reset the network preferences on this device. First, we need to open the settings on our phone. You can do it by swiping upwards on the home screen to open the app menu, then scroll down and tap on the settings icon. In settings, scroll down, find the option called System and tap on it. Here, tap on Reset Options. And now you should see the option called Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Tap on it, tap on Reset Settings. If you have some kind of protection on your phone, enter the PIN, password or pattern. Then tap on Reset Settings again to confirm. And as you can see, it says network settings have been reset. And now we can go back like this and close the settings if you want to. And that's how you reset the network preferences on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.